my fault.
Yeah, you put me in a can and then stick me back outside in the warm. Hey people, look. A party up tonight, the Prime Minister about. See people? The Prime Minister over here, so tonight.
God himself,
yeah, we're in another beer. And then the Prime Minister over there, look at that. A GLP time now. You can see everybody. Roadblock. Everybody in them colors. Peace.
One of that, man. One of that, man. Mosa.
Yeah, that man. I'll sell him myself.
See everybody there, peeps.
Alright, my God.
Him reach it? The Prime Minister not reach it? He gone somewhere else. No?
Nah, come again.
Alright, people, take it easy. Have a good evening.
Yes. What the
Yes, my people. You know, I twice now. Last year me come down at the election. The day me land at election day. And now I'm more election day in Jamaica. They have more election down there than anything else. But then again, somebody has to represent this beautiful island. Look at it. They might not do it right. The place not. The place. He might go come, man.
He must come, man.
He might come. He might go come.
Yo, in the forward, in the down the side, down at it.
Early on.
Yeah, I'm not passing down there. No, he come there left there, so he come up there already in the up there left, he left there somewhere and come back.
No, come back. I'm
going to show you why, man. So when them know, you know when they?
Yeah.
In the right, it's super pass the crowd up as a first.
Yeah.
But what I was saying, it's much police over the same day.
Yeah, it look
Right
like
now.
that. My, yes.
Them man up there, I saw a big man and I thought, remember what they call it?
Yeah, come pass a portion of police up there.
Yes, yes. That's what I thought. What the police doing up here, if him down at the school.
I'm pass much round trip here. Them did a long time before he go come up here and have a set of police officer who wait time I go there. Yeah, man.
See them are going, see this up.
Fire station where they
Yeah, see that.
Come again. Them are was there. Mad.
It might go, man. It might
They
go.
are from evening, man. Then spend most of the time down at the fire station.
Yeah, Rassal. We used to call it Rassal.
Yeah, you side.
Yeah, remember saying we build the fire station.
Yeah, you know where the fire station is.
I really had the thing making there.
I labor do it as well down there in Rassal. It used to be called Alba Rass and then yeah. Before.
Just come on, what my dad. I said, just come on. And the one when not. You just say, can your neighbor say, no, put it in the money first.
No, I don't know travel. I don't know part. No, you can't say anything.
You don't know her? She just struck you on the bus, as I said. She didn't know you.
But we don't decide to own our car, so you're not going.
Yeah, I got the phone. You're going to come on and know you.
You got to say that's small world. So how do you not go on another party? Which one are you not going? Oh, now go on pay. You clean them up yourself.
So you not got green, you got orange. I look. Have to be busy tonight.
There's two party there.
Another one.
Party one. Send them a case over the ground.
We can't see dummy. Anyone? Mommy, here you go. Alright, tell them what go on. Tell them what go on, mommy. You see, look at that now. You run away now and you kill me. yeah, kill me now, man. Yeah, me.
Me? You know, say me frequently right now. Yeah, man, I do none of them right now. I do it for me and my youth.
Cheers, them.
Yeah, man, I see it.
Why people within Annotto beer? I see them, man. Him gone. Him gone. Him come in here and him then disappear. Him not say me I go in there, him just disappear. Party are going on, people.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to live, darling. It's my only hope.
Annotto beer is lively. Yeah, man, me have the camera on. See Annotto beer lively. The Prime Minister is in town.
Waffle on the roadside.
Prime Minister is in town, people. Everybody there. Look, a party time. Is it what?
Everybody must see an orange.
What am I saying? Election time in Nigeria. Everybody there. PMP time in Annotto here. Yeah, well, you know what man said. Oh, we have to go home first, isn't it? Alright. You on phone? Oh, for battery then. Oh, Vans.
Touch up back on the signal later.
Yeah, we just wait, you know, and we'll probably come back out. Alright, alright. Everybody there. They say you have the drink. They say you have the drink. Did you speak to anyone?
Yeah, they don't know. Catch a car, come down.
To pick it up?
I will meet them
Across the road. What? So I'm going to tell you when?
Yeah, same all look at car.
Yeah, I'm dying for you. Alright.
We not about to go.
You not better go? Me no know. Are you guys me go with this? Who got the chaser, man? You got the chaser? Cause you know we no dress, but you know.
No problem, but what do you want?
Right. Where you guys gonna stand? Where you guys gonna be? Yeah, we don't want to wander off for too far. We want to go over there and do something. Man, you can walk through there. Shana, come with me. You come in and know everybody are going to be. Oh, yeah, my face. Election time in Annotto. We soon come back. Am I the jerking?
The next member of Parliament, Comrade Amar, Noel, make some noise, Comrade Noel, with them, PNP with them, Comrades, what a nice time, PNP business nice, not true? And I hear Comrade Walters touch on something, but let me tell you more about it. Comrades, the 5-time member of Parliament from Central St. Mary, everybody know me talk. Comrade, that's the one and only guy from Central St. Mary. Comrade, make some noise. Make some noise, Comrade guy. So this, Comrade guy. Comrades, I want to join me welcome this man that beat up all of them and them bad man Western St. Mary. come from Amsterdam Division. Comrades still there. Southeast with us. Comrades. Yeah. Feel good, not you? We ready? Comrades, I want to touch on a thing that Comrade Waters was talking about. How some people name done and how they're dance. And I have never heard it happen anywhere else in the world. And I want, when I watch news, you see them have a 1 minute where they say the international news. I want this to become the international news of the dance. Because I have never heard it in my 70 years of living. And I have never seen it. And, comrades, let me educate you a little bit about something. Let me tell you something. You see the word news, N-E-W-S? For all who don't know, news come from north, east, west, and south. That is why it is called news. Now my member of parliament, my member of parliament fix a road up at the hospital. I see a man go there beat him chest in my hospital. But he never knows that the hospital things them not work. But let me tell you something else. Comrade, our candidate to say,
Sorry?
he went
What do you say?
and he made his check. He checked with NWA.
Osmo Pocket 3.
And them said the road enough for them.
Osmo
He checked with the parish council and the parish council said enough for them road. Ministry of Health couldn't do nothing about it nor the hospital call them says not for them road. Comrade Christopher Brown said, okay, since the road is a half-hard road and I like to help people, I am going to fix the half-hard road. The truth. Then tell me something now. After our member of parliament go and fix the road. Comrades, the man go dig up the road. Dig up the road so bad now that the report coming from the hospital is that dust killing the people them up there. The doctor demand that dust, the patient demand that dust, the visitor demand that dust, everybody up at the hospital and that dust. They ever tell me so the man never bad mind. I said, now belongs and the camera you're done. I don't mind. With the friend things, with the friend, if you want to tell them. And I'm the same man. And the same man who come back and represent with them. And the same man collect government money for months and make the people of Southeast and environs and beyond suffer without a tax office while my enrich himself. Comrades, we send a clear message tonight, say no more. No more dance and no more done. Alright, but as we move, we have a lot of visitors here with us tonight. And I know you want to hear from everybody. So coming at this time, out of Western St. Mary, we have a young man that is going to be the man that promised us used car and I'll bring them all now. So comrade from Western St. Mary, I'm going to invite, give him a Southeast St. Mary welcome. As we welcome Fenway Woodbine to bring us greetings.
Don't kill them already. Get back to the money. All of my friends and please step over the body and teach. Them a try
Why not to be lively people? Not to be lively. Eh? Everybody there. Police there. Everybody there. Big man them arriving. No?
What am I do? If I go, alright. Somebody I go carry, we go pick up the car.
Yeah.
And then we have to go back up and go field drive and go carry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come down and we meet him down first.
Okay, alright.
And yes, we have to go get gas before gas station.
Right, so yeah. So what time when who are come where we are meet? So who we are meet? What time gas station la? People mean Annotto beer and everything I'm noisy. Election time. PMP take over. Right.
Oh, my boy.
Impact at this? Ah.